Hey Lisa, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and thank you so much for speaking with me this morning. So, here's the video that I'm working on to show you how you can improve your website so you can bring in more customers for free. Now, as you can see, we are on your website, and if you can see this right here, it says that your website is not secure. This is a big problem, and you need to get an SSL certificate and get this secured ASAP. Um, there's a there's a lot of issues here. So, with a not secured website, that means a lot of your customers will not even have access to your website because browsers are going to prevent them from accessing it by telling them that your website is not safe. In addition, your website could be hacked, it could mess with your brand and other things, which could cause serious financial implications down the road. So definitely go and get this secured ASAP. I also noticed that you guys do pool supply sales as well as renovations. And so for the purpose of this video and to be able to have a competitor to compare it to, I'm just going to focus on the renovations portion. So you do have a nice looking website. And I can see that you do have a little bit of content, but you don't have enough content. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that search the internet and index your pages based on your content and your buyer keywords to help customers actually be able to find you for your services and products. So the rule of thumb is your homepage should have a minimum of 1,500 words that should be targeting those buyer intent, location, and service area based keywords. And that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So all of your pages, service pages and product pages, need to have 150 words for every keyword you're targeting. And then on top, you also need to have more content than your top competitors, whether you're looking at your services or the products that you're selling. You need to have more. If we look at Google ranked this as one of your top competitors in your area for pool renovations. And they also have a nice looking website. And they do have some content, but they also do not have nearly enough content. So if you work on your content and keyword strategy, you should be able to at least become more competitive as far as the renovation side goes, and eventually be able to outrank them. This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. And as you can see, Google has given you a rank of 8 out of 100. That means that Google does not have a lot of trust or faith in your website. And that has everything to do with your backlinks. Backlinks are extremely important. And it's important that all of your backlinks are highly authoritative. Do follow backlinks. Spammy and junky backlinks will actually hurt you and reduce your ranking. So if you have those, you should disavow those and go after those highly authoritative ones. Currently, you're being indexed for 487 keywords, and unfortunately, you're only getting organic traffic of about 225 people in your area, and there are literally thousands and thousands of searches every month. So you're missing out on quite a bit of potential customers. When we look at your competition, they have a rating of a 20, and that's because they have over 1,300 backlinks. So you're going to need more backlinks than your top competitors, whether you're looking at the services that you provide or the products that you're selling. For each of those areas, you need to have more backlinks and more content. And because of their content and backlinks and keyword strategy, where they have over 2,000, they're actually generating over 1,500 organic visits to their website every month. So you can see how important and critical this is. Now, what a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant, the more authoritative those websites are, the higher ranking and the more it's going to boost you in Google. You also want to make sure you're getting do follow backlinks and not no follow backlinks. No follow do not give you much help, but a do follow will actually share the rank of those high ranking authoritative sites and help boost your power, boosting your rank in Google and boosting you closer to the first page for all of your keywords. And these backlinks should be going after your keywords and all of your pages, not just your home page and name of your company. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is when a customer does a search in Google, one of the first things that usually pop up are going to be ads. And the next part is going to be the Google Map Pack or Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3. You are under some keywords, but not specifically under renovations. So you do want to work on your Google My Business page and get that optimized so you are showing in the top 3 for your service areas as well as your keywords. This is a hard spot to get in and maintain, so it has to be maintained regularly, and part of getting to the top 3 has to do with your website, but one of the biggest parts has to do with citations, which is the name of your company, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. And you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. So when you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google for all of your pages and keywords in your services area. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just a free educational video. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. But if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it and let someone else handle it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.